Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're...
Good morning, you guys, and welcome to the vlog. Today I am vlogging for you guys. We are at Isaiah's appointment, and then I'm gonna check back in with you guys here in a little bit. I did get a new car and I wanted to tell you guys all about it. Anyway, thank you guys for popping on this video. If you're new, please consider subscribing. If you enjoy it, please consider liking it. And we're gonna go ahead and go on with the vlog.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. You say that you're sorry. We turn the page and make up. Our broken trust got you haunted. The doubt in you was enough to leave me chasing you on and on. But I don't care, I will let you in. You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability.
Alright, you guys, so I had to stop. Is there something on my camera? I had to stop cleaning because I have to go get Ava. I actually promised her I would get her before nap time, so I wanted to drive over there, go grab her, come back, finish cleaning the kitchen a bit, and then start editing my video. Yeah, I had to make some phone calls and like try and order Isaiah's contacts and everything through Costco, so I had to like stop and do that, so that took up my time that I was gonna actually get some stuff done while she was gone. I don't know if you guys ever deal with this, but like out of nowhere she kind of just like didn't want to go to school today. She was like crying really bad. She said that the kids were hitting her and cursing and saying bad words to her the last time she was there, which was last Friday, and she was really upset. And she never said this before. There's an app that our preschool does, so it shows us photos and videos of her all through the day, and she looked really happy last Friday. So it was really hard for me to like, do I keep her here today? Like, do I bring her back home, or do I just like tough it out and let her stay because she's obviously maybe just having a hard morning and not wanting to go? I don't want to disregard what she's saying, but at the same time, like, I mean, I don't, like, the teacher was like, there were no problems last Friday. You know, she was playing with this group of girls over here or doing activities with herself. And so she was like, maybe she's just saying it because she wants to leave. She's never said it before, so I feel really bad that I had to leave her because she was really upset. I'm definitely gonna keep an ear out, communicate with her about it before I just disregard that, you know, a bunch of kids were mean to her. But she actually has a lot of friends in that class, and they've all been in class together for like the last 3 years, or no, for the last like 2 years since we've been here. But she's been in 3 different classes at that school, and they've all moved up according to their age kind of together. What would you guys do if your kiddo was like freaking out and didn't want to go to school one day, and like you had an option to keep them home, or would you just like push them to because you know they might have fun and they might have just been having a rough morning? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your guys' like thoughts on that. All right, do you want to say hi to everybody? Hi. Did you have a good day today? Yeah. Good. Were you nice with your friends? And you played? That's so good. So it seems like she was fine like 2 minutes after I left. Anyway, so it's just one of those days, I guess, and I have to have tougher skin because I hate dropping them off and they're like, your kiddos are like screaming and you don't know what's wrong and if everything's okay or not, but yeah. And she doesn't typically do that, so usually she wants to go to school. That's another reason. You're Lammy? Yeah, a lot of you guys on Instagram, I posted a picture and she was holding this Lammy and a lot of you guys were like, oh my god, I didn't know Lamb Chops was still around. But I wanted to let you guys know, because I know I'm just gonna put this in the thumbnail, is that I did get a new car and I'm super excited about it. So I wanted to share that with you guys just because I share a lot of things with you guys. And I've legit been driving the same car for the last 7 years. I've been driving this Nissan Altima from like 07 for a long time. I paid it off, been paid off for a couple of years now. And it's been nice having like payment free and everything, but we went ahead, we got this car. So it's a Mazda CX-5. It's like a crossover SUV type thing. So it's a little bit bigger and like more spacious than my Nissan was. So I have all like the basic features that everybody, like to you guys or to everyone else, it's like normal to have, like USB plugs and those things. And like I didn't have that in my Nissan. My Nissan had like the old lighter plug. I couldn't charge a phone in emergencies or anything. So that was like a plus to finally get like a new car that has USB plugs, which I know have been around for years. And also my Nissan was a stick shift and this Mazda is an automatic. So I'm really happy I don't have to like shift gears now. I just put it in drive and I'm good to go. Those are like simple things. And it has a screen. My last car didn't have a screen, so that's really nice. It's the sport, like the sport model or the sport edition, so it works perfect for us. I really love it. And then the trunk has like really nice space. I like that I don't have to like bend down to get Ava into the Nissan because it was so low to the ground. Like I'm up high, so I feel more comfortable when I'm driving. Little things like that that I really appreciate, and just having something new, of course. So I feel really blessed and grateful to finally have a new car.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna.
All right, so we're officially home. It is super hot. When it is, let me tell you the temperature. Oh, when it's 115 degrees out, you come home and sit down after being out. Jeez, 115 is so hot, and it's gonna be like this for like a month, or until, what, the end of August? Woo! Anyway, so I'm just sitting down. I'm gonna have this little snack here. It's like these Costco, if you watched my Costco haul before this video, which I'll have link below. I just dropped a piece of meat.
I got.
So she just got this little, like, what is this called? My Little Pony, and it came with some candy bag.
Stickers.
Yep. Stickers, mini poster, and a surprise. So I guess it
Mom,
came with all this fun stuff from Target. I think it was like $2.99 or $3.99.
what sticker you want?
I want these two right here, these friends.
Where? Right here?
Right in my hand.
On my mind, so sailing with hope, and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be. But our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. You know everything about me. I'm so good at pretending. Keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending. Spending time like it was going backwards. Posters covering our walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah. Got no money on my mind. Tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, leaving tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind.
I just wanted to check in with you guys because I am still editing and I am eating a snack, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what I'm eating. It's just these pork rinds, Mission pork rinds. They're 0 carbs, so it's like kind of a go-to snack. I'm kind of over it though. I'm sick of pork rinds almost. But I've been mixing it with like, or using my dipping sauce. This is that bitchin' sauce. Excuse my French, but I actually just was sharing it in my haul. And let me see how much it is and what the full name. It's like a hummus, like a spicy hummus. I'll just show you guys in the fridge, but it's so good. And I just dip the pork rinds in there, so that just really makes it yummy and spices things up. And that is only 1.5 carbs, but it's 1 fiber, so it's like 0.5 carbs. I've already made a mess again.
No, I'm gonna clean up.
You're gonna clean it up, silly? And then Isaiah's back there. He's getting ready to leave to my mom's. I have to take him in the morning. He's gonna go to their grandma's house in Seattle tomorrow morning. So I have to actually get up at like 4:30, get them ready, and be out the door by 5 so I can get him to the airport early enough for his flight.
And in the morning too, me and you are gonna go in Disneyland, and from there's at Gigi's home, and we are going to Nana.
Yeah, we're gonna go to meet Nana and go to her aunt and uncle's house in California.
We're gonna see Nana from like 1 more day.
In 2 more weeks.
It's we only passed it 2 more weeks.
No, in 2 weeks, then we're gonna go for a week. We're gonna go to California, visit the family, and go to Disneyland.
So I thought we passed 2 weeks.
No, it's only been a couple days.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're gonna meet, who you're gonna meet, who you're gonna meet.
Alright you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and conclude this video for today. It was really fun vlogging for you guys. It's been a while and I really like doing vlogs, so hopefully a lot of you guys are interested in watching this and you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Right now I'm just finishing uploading tomorrow's video on the computer and I have to do the thumbnail real quick, and that's it. We're going to bed early tonight. It's only 8:20, but we're going to bed because I have to get up at 4:30 to get Isaiah off to the airport. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you for taking the time and watching these family vlogs. They really are so fun to make. And stay tuned for my next video, which will be a cleaning video. So I will see you guys later. Bye.